नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस में। दोस्तों, आज बात करते हैं मॉक टेस्ट पार्ट 9। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो सहायक लेखाकार की आने वाली एग्ज़ाम के लिए आपके लिए काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट है। दोस्तों, साथ ही साथ मैं उत्तराखंड सामान्य हिंदी के डेली टेस्ट सीरीज़ डालता हूँ, वो वीडियो आप ज़रूर देखें। वो यूके ट्रिपल एस सी के लिए अति महत्वपूर्ण है। दोस्तों, डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक मिलेगा, आप उसे ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें। वहाँ आपको मिलते हैं डेली करंट अफेयर, जीएस पीडीएफ और उत्तराखंड की पीडीएफ्स। तो दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं अकाउंट असिस्टेंट मॉक टेस्ट पार्ट 9। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि आपको मिलती रहे उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से सारी जानकारी। दोस्तों, मैं आपको जैसे पता ही है, इससे पहले मैं 8 भाग डाल चुका हूँ और मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन बोलूँगा, आपको उनके आंसर देने। इन ऑर्डर टू रिड्यूस द रिस्क ऑफ हैवी इंश्योरेंस इन इंश्योरर passes on some business to the other company it called, and the answer is reinsurance. The next question is, contents of marine insurance include, and the answer is insurance of cargo foreign hull. The next question is, the object of agenda is to inform, and the answer is about the matter in sequence to be discussed in the meeting. That's called agenda. The next question is, the branch of accounting which is concerned with the processing and presenting data for decision making is known as, and the answer is management accounting. The next question is, final accounts prepared in narrative style are in, and the answer is vertical form. The next question is, goodwill, copyright and trademark should be classified as, and the answer is intangible asset. The asset which cannot be touched or seen is called intangible assets. The portion of share capital which can be called up only on the winding up of a company is known as, and the answer is reserve capital. Next question is, which one of the following is called backbone of auditing? And the answer is vouching is the backbone of auditing. The next question is, what is the maximum limit of remuneration for a whole time manager in a company? And the answer is 5% of net annual profit. The next question is, which among the following documents defines the relationship between a company and outsiders? And the answer is memorandum of association. The next question is, registration is not essential in case of, and the answer is business of joint Hindu family does not require registration. The next question is, the meeting of board of director must be called at least one, and the answer is in 3 months. The next question is, the secretary of company should file copies of special resolution passed at extraordinary general meeting to register of companies within, And the answer is 30 days, within a 30 days. The next question is, to which one of the following aspect does established pattern of relationship among the component of organization refers? And the answer is organization structure. The next question is, which one of the following is not an element of direction? And the answer is motivation of subordinates to try to meet the expectation of manager. The next question is, increase in fixed asset due to purchase is, and the answer is use of fund. The next question is, for the purpose of preparation of fund flow statement, fund means, and the answer is fund means working capital. The next question is, vacancy caused by resigning of auditor is filled only by, and the answer is general meeting of shareholders. The next question is, the first auditor of company appointed holds office, and the answer is till the conclusion of first annual general meeting. The next question is, internal audit internal auditor is appointed by, and the answer is management. The next question is, auditor is watchdog and not a bloodhound was remark made in case of, and the answer is Kingston Cotton Mills Limited 1896. The next question is, what is the quorum of general meeting in case of private company? And the answer is 2 members. The next question is, which of these must hold statutory meeting? And the answer is public limited company. The next question is, when three sugar mills combine, it is an example of, and the answer is horizontal combination. The next question is, the first electronic computer system was developed in, and the answer is 1940. An index is, and the answer is an important help in filling. The next question is, some organizations have escalator clause in their labor agreement. What does clause provide for? And the answer is automatic increase in wage salary depending on increase in profit of firm. The next question is, what is an organization structure in which each employee reports to both a functional manager and to a project or a group manager known as, and the answer is matrix structure. The next question is, According to force field theory, every behavior is the result of equilibrium between which of the following? And the answer is driving and restraining forces. Life insurance is a contract of which one of the following? And the answer is guarantee. It is a contract of guarantee. Auditing of accounts is compulsory for, and the answer is sole proprietary business. Underwatching checking is done of, all of the above. The next question is the goods taken by proprietor from the shop is debited to, and the answer is it's debited to drawing accounts. Which of the following types of business organization has separate legal entity? And the answer is joint stock company. The next question is the organization in which power of authority run in a straight line is called, and the answer is line organization. The next question is Indian Partnership Act was passed in year, and the answer is Indian Partnership Act passed in 1932. According to the Partnership Act, maximum number of partner in banking firm may be, and the answer is 10. Maximum partner is allowed is 10. Dissolution of partnership takes place when, and the answer is a partner dies. When a partner dies, dissolution can take place. Existence of partnership firm is, not separate from partners. The next question is in which state the Mitakshara form of HUF Hindu undivided family business does not apply? And the answer is West Bengal. The next question is what is the outsourcing of production and concentrating on marketing operation in internal business known as, and the answer is franchising. The next question is which of the following is not a feature of bonds? And the answer is yield to maturity. The next question is share premium account can be used for, and the answer is meeting the cost of issue of share or debentures. The next question is plow- plowing back of profit mean, and the answer is retaining the earnings of business for future expansion programs. The next question is as per the schedule 6 of Company Act 1956 forfeited share account will be, and the answer is deducted from called up capital. The next question is profit objectives of least priority in case of, and the answer is cooperative society. The next question is, partnership may come into existence by, and the answer is an express or implied agreement only. A public company can start business, and the answer is a public company can start a business after getting certificate of commencement of business. The next question is, consumer cooperative store is set up by the, and the answer is members. And the last question for mock test series, object clause of memorandum of association can be altered by, and the answer is special resolution and confirmation by कंपनी लॉ बोर्ड। तो दोस्तों ये था मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज़। आपको आई होप आपको ये पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज़ चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि आपको मिलती रहे उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से सारी जानकारी। दोस्तों कमेंट के माध्यम से हमें ज़रूर बताएं आपको ये टेस्ट सीरीज़ कैसी लग रही है। साथ ही साथ आप उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान, उत्तराखंड सामान्य हिंदी की टेस्ट सीरीज़ ज़रूर फॉलो करें, उसमें से एग्ज़ाम में कई क्वेश्चन रिपीट होंगे। ओके गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, डू सब्सक्राइब उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस। थैंक यू।